Imagine the celestial sphere, a realm humming with purpose and light. Within its intricate tapestry of energy and consciousness reside the angels, beings of immense power and unwavering dedication. Among their myriad responsibilities, a sacred and vital task is the guardianship and guidance of the chosen ones, those souls bearing a unique destiny within the physical world. When a chosen one takes their first breath in the earthly realm, a specific angel or a collective of angels is often assigned to them. This isn't a random act, it's a precise alignment orchestrated by the divine intelligence that oversees the unfolding of cosmic purpose. These angelic beings act as silent guardians, their presence a subtle yet constant influence in the lives of those they watch over. Their assignments are multifaceted, tailored to the specific mission each chosen one carries. One primary aspect is the gentle nudging of the heart and mind. Angels don't interfere with free will, but they can sow seeds of inspiration, stir longings for truth and justice, and illuminate the path when the chosen one stands at a crossroads. A sudden, unexplainable urge to help a stranger, a persistent idea that sparks a creative breakthrough, a feeling of profound connection to a particular cause. These can often be the subtle whispers of angelic guidance. Another crucial role is the orchestration of synchronicities. Angels possess a profound understanding of the intricate web of cause and effect within the physical world. They can subtly influence events, aligning circumstances and bringing the right people, resources, and opportunities into the chosen one's path at precisely the right moment. It might be a chance encounter that leads to a crucial mentorship, the unexpected discovery of a vital piece of information, or the timely arrival of assistance when all seems lost. These coincidences, often dismissed as luck, can be the fingerprints of angelic intervention, paving the way for the chosen one to fulfill their purpose. Furthermore, angels offer protection. While they don't always shield the chosen one from hardship or pain, for growth often blossoms in adversity, they can intercede in moments of extreme danger, deflecting harm or providing an inexplicable sense of safety. This protection isn't about creating an easy path, but ensuring that the chosen one endures the trials necessary to forge their character and strengthen their resolve. They also serve as conduits of divine energy and wisdom. When the chosen one faces overwhelming challenges or seeks clarity, angels can act as channels, transmitting strength, courage, and intuitive insights. This might manifest as a sudden surge of inner power, a moment of profound understanding that cuts through confusion, or a dream filled with symbolic guidance. The relationship between an angel and a chosen one is often a silent partnership, a dance between the seen and the unseen. The chosen one, exercising their free will and striving towards their calling, creates the openings for angelic assistance. Their obedience to their inner knowing, their acts of love and service, resonate with the higher frequencies of the celestial realm, making them more receptive to angelic influence. It's important to understand that angels don't micromanage. They respect the journey of self-discovery and the importance of the chosen one's own agency. Their help is often subtle, a guiding hand rather than a forceful push. They empower the chosen one to rise to their potential, to discover the strength and wisdom that lies within them, knowing that true fulfillment comes from their own conscious choices and actions. In essence, the angels are divine facilitators, working tirelessly behind the scenes to support the chosen ones in their vital missions within the physical world. They are a testament to the profound care and intention that underpins the unfolding of destiny, ensuring that those who carry the light have the support they need to illuminate the darkness and bring forth positive change in the world. Their assignment is a labor of love, a silent symphony of guidance that helps the chosen ones step fully into their power and fulfill the unique purpose for which they were brought into being.